best buy. Learning goal. I can use different strategies to figure out the best buy. Gemma's class is planning an outdoor lunch for her school and family guests. She is helping to plan what food to buy. You can see that we've got prices for 2 different grocery stores, Super Savers and Hometown Grocers. We're asked to figure out which store has the best price for each of the 4 items and explain our thinking each time, and try to use at least a few different strategies. So I'm going to start with the falafel, and from Super Savers, they charge $22 and we get 4 packages. And at Hometown Grocers, they charge $11 for 2 packages. In this case, we can see that 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and 22 also divided by 2 gives us 11. So in the case of the falafel, the price would be exactly the same. We don't have to do any further calculations. Now, how about the samosas? We're told that it's $25 for 8 packages. So for this one, I think I would probably try to find the unit price. So to do that, I'm simply going to divide 25 by 8. I know that 3/8 gives me 24. Subtracting that, I get 1. And if I'm going to do decimals here, I can then bring the 0 down, and I've got 1/8. Subtracting that, I have 2. Bring down another 0. 2 8s are 16. Subtracting that, 4. And since we've got 2 decimal places, that's typically what we would have in currency. So we would say that it's $3.12 per pack from Super Savers. Now, let's look at the Hometown Grocers, and they're selling for $19 for a 6-pack. So we're going to do the same thing this time. $19 divided by 6. 3 6s is 18. Subtracting gives us 1 left over. Put in some decimals, bring down the 0. 1 6 and 10. Subtracting it gives us 4 remainder. Bring down the next 0. 6 6s are 36. Subtracting gives us 4, so we're going to get a repeating 6 there. So the price per unit from Hometown Grocers is $3.17. So in this case, we can see that shopping from Super Savers has the best price. Now let's look at the kale salad. In this case, we're given 340 grams for $5 or 970 grams for $13.75. We probably want to find a price that's based on 100-gram increments. So in the case of Super Savers, let's go ahead and we'll say it's $5 for 340 grams. So that's going to be some unknown amount for 100 grams. Solving for that unknown amount, I'm going to call that x just to make things a little easier. I can then solve to say that x is equal to 100 times 5 divided by 340. If I do that math on a calculator, I get 1.47. So $1.47 per 100 grams. Now let's look at Hometown Grocer. At the Hometown Grocer, we're paying $13.75 for 970 grams. And we want to know how much we'll pay for 100 grams there. Process is the same. X is equal to 100 times 1375 divided by 970. Doing that on a calculator, we come up with $1.42. So in this case, Hometown Grocer gives the better price on a per 100 gram basis. Finally, let's look at the cost of fruit salad. They tell us at Super Savers it's $9 per package, and at Hometown Grocer it's $35 for 4 packs. So in this case, the Super Saver has already given us a per unit price. So we just need to convert the Hometown Grocers into a per unit price as well. So that's 35 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Subtracting 3. Bring down the 0. 4 7s are 28. Subtracting 2. Bring down another 0. And 5 4s are 20. With a remainder of 0. So at the Hometown Grocer, it's $8.75 per pack. So in that case, the Hometown Grocer is again the winner with the lowest cost. Lesson summary. When you shop, items might have individual prices, but sometimes prices are given as a rate, like 2 for $3 or 6 for $10. If you know a rate, you can divide or multiply to figure out the unit rate. For example, if it costs $28 for 7 cactus plants, then 1 cactus plant would cost $4. But if 4 plants cost $15 and you want to know the price of 6 plants, you could choose to use the unit rate, or you might think like this. If 4 cost $15, then 2 cost half as much, or $7.50, and so 6 would cost the same as 4 and another 2, which was $15 for 4, $7.50 for 2, for a total of $22.50. You can use unit rates to compare prices and figure out the better buy. You might use other strategies too. For example, cheese might come in 2 package sizes, 750 grams for $8.97, 200 grams for $3.44. Which package costs less per gram? You could estimate 750 grams is a bit more than triple 200. The 750 gram price of $8.97, though, is less than triple $3.44. So you know the 750 gram package of cheese is a better buy. If the prices are close, you might have to calculate. $8.97 divided by 750 and $3.44 divided by 200. Sometimes the store does the calculation for you and provides a price per gram or a price per 100 gram. Certainly easier than doing the math that we're just looking at there. Key terms. Rate is a comparison of quantities that are in different units. For example, $2 for 6 items. You're comparing quantities of dollars to items. A unit rate is when 2 quantities are compared in a rate. The unit rate tells how one quantity matches a unit of one of the other. For example, if it costs $13 for 2 items, the unit rate is $6.50 for 1 item. Your turn.